All right, so I crashed my 335i. On the previous video, we did the assessment, what happened, and pretty much now we need to decide if we're fixing it. Yes, we are fixing it. On today's video, we're going to be starting some suspension repairs, and then we are going to go pick up some parts. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so to start off, today I was supposed to go get some parts for the car, pretty much all the exterior parts and some other parts, but that didn't work out. I did say on the previous video that I want the GTS bonnet and fenders so I can get the M2 bumper. I reached out to the person on Facebook. The person is the only one who did not get back to me. I'm willing to wait a day and see if they're gonna get back. But before the whole parts thing, the first thing that we will do, since we have the parts, is gonna be the suspension. Since I already have the control arms, the upper and lower control arms, and the tie rod end, let's just get that sorted out and maybe we'll see more damage as we go. Let's go. All right, so today I was supposed to go get body panels, but I rescheduled that. This fender's almost out. But I was supposed to go get body panels. The guy with the fender and bonnet I want is not responding, and I really want that so bad. If I'm gonna do one trip to Cape Town, I want it to just be one trip: bonnet, fenders, bumpers, and everything. Anyways, I decided to do the mechanical part, the suspension. So I've removed these guys. So this is what broke. So this snapped, and I'm assuming when it snapped, it then caused this one to break as well. So it snapped from this guy. So that is one complete unit. But yeah, so that's off. Also, the shock has went up. This also happened the last time I was in another accident. I was in when I hit the pothole back home, when the rim, that one that's broken now, got bent. So that was that. So I still need to pull it, the rest all the way down, all the way here. So for today, the only bill we have is this one, sitting at 1,290, 1.3. So this is for the inner tie rod, and then the outer one here. So when I put the parts down together, I have this, and then I have this one, and then this guy is way this one, and then this guy that sits right here, this one that snapped off, which is this one, is this guy. Okay, forgot to record the conclusion for today. So all these are fitted. This is aligned by hand. I just kind of use the measuring thing, and yeah, we did do this head as well. So I also featured this because I found them in the house. Anyways, what I want to do now is to remove the bonnet. I just see it's like this one and this one, maybe this one too, I don't know. I'm just gonna take off the bonnet because I want to drive the car to see if it moves. All right, so we have that over there. This is my vehicle for the day, by the way. I'm gonna hook the business up. To hire this thing for the whole day, it's 780 or 680. I'm gonna hook the business up. I've used them quite a couple of times. They are very reliable, super fast service. But yeah, check them out if you need to hire. But yeah, do check them out if you ever want to hire a truck or a buggy or NP200, a big truck. Like, they have everything. But yeah, super reliable. I've used them a couple of times. Anyways, let me go. Right, so state of things, this is the new to replace that, got damaged there by the corner, and then this is for replacing that, and then that's to be painted. I think I'm gonna reuse this bumper for now because I can't find the one I want. But yeah, so that leaves the corner here. Oh yeah, these are the replacement lights to replace this one and the other one, and then we'll take the car in for panel beating to get this corner repaired. I'm actually gonna strap like a rope to the frame and tie it to somewhere like a wall, and then drive forward just to get it to move a bit back so this can close properly after I replace it. But yes, suspension is done and it's back. The only thing now which is left is the rim. So I'm gonna put the tire back there now because we're done with that side, I mean the side of this car, and then I'm gonna put a jack here and take off the tire. There's a mag repair center here that I want to go to. Reason is I want 437 amps that I saw on Facebook, but I don't know if there's gonna be any hidden damage. I don't want to spend money that I'm gonna need in case something really is broken, and plus I don't know how much panel beating is gonna cost. So I'll stick with repairing this one for now, but for repairing I just need them to only to fix this and straighten it. Yeah, let's go get a quote for this. Okay, moment of truth. So all the jack stands are off. There we go. And with that, car sitting on its tires. Now, this is supposed to be a 48-hour fix. We won't make it, but I have all the parts. So unfortunately I was not able to find the bumper, so we are gonna use this until we find one. It's gonna kind of keep me motivated to replace it. But yeah, so damaged bumper, damaged bonnet. I could have fixed this, but I don't want to fix it. Could have cost me close to at least the amount. I bought this one. This is a damaged bonnet. You can see from the paint here. I do intend to repaint the whole thing myself. It has a bit of rust here and there, but I still want the GTS bonnet, so this is a temporary bonnet. So yeah, this is a temporary fender. I do want the ones I saw on Facebook. When that guy responds, I'm actually gonna go buy them and then sell off these ones. Yeah, bonnet. This I'm gonna repaint. I like the M Sport bumper. I wanted the M4 one, but with like a dual exit version of it. But that one will have to do. Yeah, that worries me. That's the only thing that worries me. Everything else with the car, we can get to fixing. Okay, we didn't make it in 48 hours, but for the front I need to put the bumper back. The color looks weird because the car is dirty on the other side, but it is the exact same white. Cool. Let's do an assessment. So front, alright, so something that I always forget to mention on all my videos is on this channel we have a YouTube members, right? You can find the link below. So what I do there is, honestly, these videos are long overdue because of work, life, repairing the car. I don't have time to sit and edit these videos, at all. So what I do is on the YouTube member side, after I record, I just take them unedited for that day and then just post them there. That then allows me to then sit down whenever I get time and actually work on the videos that are gonna go public. So yeah, if you want to see like the recent, like what's been happening with the car, let's see. I am gonna be uploading like a bunch today and tomorrow, but yes, these videos are long overdue. I just don't have time to sit and edit these videos because life is happening. Anyways, I'll try and post the next one as early as possible just to kind of catch you guys up, and then yeah, can see you guys on the next one.